Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Thanks for joining us today for some useful service information and pointers on maintaining your Yamaha Ténéré 700 adventure bike. Today's video is going to cover one of the most important and frequent maintenance tasks: how to properly check your T7's engine oil. The engine oil level needs to be checked, certainly after every oil change, but also make it a habit to check it before every ride. There are 5 simple steps to checking the oil level of your T7. Warm the engine oil by letting the engine idle for a few minutes in a well-ventilated area. If the crankcase cover is warm to the touch, the engine oil is warm enough to shut off the engine and begin the oil level check. While you're waiting for the oil to settle, safely secure your bike from rolling by placing it in gear and/or strapping the front brake on. To properly check the oil level, the motorcycle must be held straight up at the balancing point and not leaning one direction or the other. Note that even a slight lean will give you a false reading. Ideally, sit on the bike holding it straight while a partner helps you check the level, or use a rear stand, center stand, or wheel chock to hold the bike straight to check the level unassisted. With the bike secure and sitting straight up, read the level through the oil level check window on the left front side of the engine. The oil level should be visible between the lower mark and the upper mark. If low, adjust the level by slowly adding small amounts of Yamalube and continuously rechecking until it's raised to the correct level. If it's too high, see the oil change video for directions on draining some or all of the oil. Note that you should always check the oil level after the engine has been idling for a minute or two, then giving it a few minutes to settle. It's common knowledge that a low oil level can cause engine damage, but too much oil can cause issues too, such as oil blow-by and leaks. Excess oil can also be forced into the airbox and cause poor running and damage, so be certain the oil level does not exceed the maximum level mark. Congratulations, you successfully completed a Yamalube oil level check on your Ténéré 700 adventure bike. Great work. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos and technical tips. Now let's get out and ride.